Well, here's my new project. It is a 92 Dodge Ram250 or B250, and it's got a raised roof. The body is completely solid, not even a dent in it. Just, the paint it needs paint, that's all. It's got aluminum wheels, nice tread. He just put new rubber on it. It's got the skirts. I'm not sure how I feel about the skirt. I'm probably gonna rip that off. Ladder, even a new spare tire, and it's got the hitch. My plan is to tote. I have my little trailer over here. You can't see it. There it is. To tote that trailer around with all my DJ equipment and live in this and make my living by DJing at other places. Got a nice, pretty flat roof here for solar panels. Also been told I got to put a vent in. And here is the other side. Nice windows, and I like how it's tinted pretty good, so I don't have to spend money getting these big windows tinted, but I am going to have these tinted. This needs a pretty good bath right now. It's got a 318. The guy just rebuilt the transmission because it failed on him. It's going to be sort of a rip out, like the front here. I'm going to rip it out, but I'm going to leave this carpeted. But they do sell carpets for this already. It is cheap. It's like $200 for the front section and like $280 for the whole thing. But I'm going to do the floor in there with wood and vinyl. But the seats are in pretty good shape. They need to be cleaned. All power. I'm going to try to find new controls, but they all work. And this thing works pretty good. It's got about 150,000 miles on it, which is not ideal, but I'm very mechanical, so I'm not worried. I'm not sure about this. It does have its place. I'm going to take it off, sand it, clean it, all that. I do like that there's a switch panel in here that has fuses already. So they will probably either remain or get repurposed. Stereo doesn't seem to work up here, and the AC doesn't work. So I'm going to, I'm actually going to start ripping into the AC here in a little bit, because I want this done by June. And, so I want to make it livable by then. But you can see the inside here. I'm going to take out these two seats, and it's got a convertible couch. But look at up here, there's already cabinets up here, and it's beautiful. I mean, it is in very good condition. So I have very tremendous apprehension about taking this all apart. I'm just going to kind of add to it, I think. I mean, really, this is a lot of work saved. And of course, it's got the little TV. Somebody put a little flat screen in there. Well, that's cool. But I'm going to modify this. And there's a little power inverter in there. I'm going to put a big one in. I got to figure out how to turn all these lights on and all that good stuff. And I'm going to replace these with LEDs. Now, this stereo back here, I don't know, it's a Sony, so I think somebody replaced these. But this is the coolest thing, is this bed. Like, you push, there's buttons back here, and then this thing goes down to a bed. And then you can go and bring it all the way back. I may leave that, but the metal frame down here, I might build a platform and bolt that on the frame so it sits up a little higher, because it's kind of cool having a bench there, if you know, to sit around and hang out in here, rather than having a full-time bed. So I don't know, haven't, you know, with it like that all the time. There's a lot of space in here. I mean, these chairs are coming out, obviously, but I mean, there's probably 5 foot of space between here and here with that. And it's only me, so I could do without this side and sleep on section only that big, and be okay, and then have all this room if I remove this. Even has the original dust buster. It's pretty cool, and a coat rack, or you know, clothes rack back there. Also has some storage up here. I left a bunch of headphones and wire and everything. So yeah, it's a pretty good start. You know, and it doesn't smell that bad. I mean, he sprayed it regularly with Febreze, so but I don't smell any mildew or anything. The windows all work, and they're good shape. All the little blinds. This is kind of neat in here. So there's maybe a little, oh, there's a light in here that broke. But yeah, these, I mean, I'm hesitant about taking this all apart and redoing it, because I mean, if they clean up good with a shampooer, then why not? Why do the work? But all this is coming out. I'm ripping all this carpet out and putting wood and then vinyl floor in here, because I got a dog and I don't want her tracking stuff through here either. But yeah, so this is it. And join me on my journey. All right, like, share, and subscribe, and we're gonna get through it. The next stop, air conditioner.